I hope you're doing well. I wholeheartedly welcome you all in this video. So guys, I am here to present reliable and unbiased King of Console reviews. So guys, stay tuned with me and watch the video till the end, and do like and subscribe to our channel. So guys, one question for you. Are you finding professional build gaming systems in the digital world, or are you feeling bored with hyper-realism in the digital games? So in both the cases, do explore King of Console. The King of Console is a professional built gaming system with modded Xbox 360. It is a retro arcade gaming you can easily plug and play. It has Xbox 360 classics, Nintendo, Super Nintendo, MAME, Final Bomb, Alpha New, Game Boy Advance, Sega. You can easily shop it now from the website. When it says it is full of games, it has another games also, that is NES, SNES, GBA, FVN. It is region free. You can unlock the system, play any game around the world as per your convenience. It is secure. You can easily purchase via PayPal invoice, it email to you. It says and it claims that it provides custom work, that is handcrafted design you won't find anywhere else. So guys, it depends upon the convenience of the person to person. It claims that it is on Instagram and it is available on the YouTube videos, and it is there on the Facebook too for the latest updates. You can follow King Consoles. It welcomes you on the world of King Consoles. So guys, we found, as per our investigation, King is essentially a tabletop RPG. It has its own rule set that is handily available at all time at the click of a button. It claims that it comes with a package of set of adventurers. So if you are one of the adventurer person and you wanted to find adventurous game, you can easily go through the King Console. So there are basically adventurous games. So if anyone is pro in adventure, it is for this platform is for you. For another person, the platform is not suitable for you because it has 6 playthrough complete with the suggested difficulty levels. The overarching stories and quests are rather than familiar affair, but really it's just good framing device for the people who loves to be adventure and play the games with a good difficulty level and the furrow into the world of heroism. So it certainly says that it has enough meat on the bones for its user to just enjoy the world it presents to you. So guys, before moving ahead, do like and subscribe to our channel as it will motivate us to do better. So guys, it welcomes you on the kingdom of King Consoles, and the King Consoles says they build custom modded Xbox 360 gaming system. These builds are done with professionalism and passion. Systems are fully loaded with up to 4 TB, full of awesome gaming titles. Hit the Xbox 360 page to see what's in log. As per the channel, you will find system built like mine anywhere else. King Console says it has huge collection of games of RPG, combat, shumps, racing, sports, fighting. So if you are interested in one of them, you can go through the site. How to purchase the King Console games platform? You can visit their shop, watch the video to the console, shoot them on email, and you can easily mail your invoice to them. So guys, as per the customer reviews, we find some are finding it difficult to play the games, as they're saying they're not easily downloadable and it is very costly to shop the game via King Console as per the other channel. Some are finding it good on option to get good adventurous games of fighting, shooting, sports in the King Consoles. So it depends upon person to person and their convenience and their experience. So guys, if you find our information helpful, do like, share and comment, and for more updates and latest news like this, do subscribe to our channel. Guys, thank you so much and have a great day ahead. Stay secure and stay informed.